Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our odd US dollar. So, guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that yet, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like. Make sure you share. Also, click on the bell notification. So once we drop an update, instantly you will get the updates and you will not miss out on any single update. Now let's take a look at our movement on our odd US dollar. So that will enable us to predict what odd US dollar will be doing. So first, we will look at our main trend, and we can see that the full bigger trend, we will look at the full bigger trend on odd US dollar. You can see that the full bigger trend is a downtrend move. That is the full bigger trend. But since we are a day trader and we would want to see what markets will be happening between this Friday and also from next week, right? Throughout next week, we would want to know what markets will be doing. That means we would make use of our current trend, and now we will zoom it in. So you can clearly see that this is the current trend on all the US dollars. So we add this first high, and here comes the higher low. Market pushed up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the equal higher low, right? This is an equal higher low, which can now be seen as the demand zone. Market eventually push up to form a new high, and currently market is on an higher low. So is this higher low over? Definitely not. Market is still playing an higher low. So once the higher low plays out, finish, you might want to be looking for your buy setup that will eventually push up to form a new higher high. So if you're a position traders or you're a long-term traders, you would still want to hop in for the buy and hold your position. But for day traders, market is still dropping, so it will be best you wait for it to drop and give you a pullback finish before you look for your buy. Now, this is this one support level market broke out from, right? So we should be expecting market to pull back and one more drop. This should be our expectation next on odd US dollar. Also have it in mind that odd US dollar can start pushing up from here till it form a new high. Would this happen? I do not see it happening. Also have it in mind that market is flexible, right? Market is flexible. Market will do what it wants to do. So if in case market does that, it just push up and form a new high, absolutely no problem. If it does not do that, right, market is likely to pull back and do one more drop. This is a possible scenario. So if there will be any move changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on any single updates, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, click on the bell notification also.